Hello dear, in this video I'm going to show you how to download CapCut. All you need to do is go to store. You can just click on the search bar here and type store, and then you go to Microsoft Store, click on it and open it. Then when it opens, it's going to take a little while. Okay, when it opens, you go to the search bar here and type CapCut. So this is the particular one that we're downloading, and it's gonna open in a bit. So this is a CapCut application. So then click on install. So this is going to take a while. Make sure that your device, your laptop is connected to the internet, of course, and it's going to take a while to download and then install on your Windows PC. So once the installation is completed, you close up this tab, and then you see a shortcut of the CapCut on your desktop. If you don't see it, then go to search and search for CapCut. Then when you search for it, you open it, then it's going to run a test to make sure that your device is suitable to carry the application. So once you finish running the test, like as you can see, it's testing environment. Once you finish running the test, it's going to let you know if so you see the computer can run CapCut smoothly, and then I just click on confirm. So I just go to the CapCut app and start using it. So yeah, that's it.